by and take a look at the 2013 GS 350. The GS 350 boasts a powerful engine with a lot of horsepower output under its hood. Yet this beautifully built car remains a luxury sedan first and foremost with its plush interior, high-tech amenities, and impressive standard equipment, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, power windows, fog lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.